We saw it as a really good opportunity to connect with more businesses of various different sectors and industries across Hampshire, and to really look at that innovation and opportunities for growth in that space.
We absolutely love Venturefest. It's our favourite day of the year. Genuinely, I've been coming for 7 or 8 years.
It's great being part of the day today here at Venturefest. There's so much going on. We've got speakers across 4 or 5 different events throughout the program, talking about different things like financing, talking about skills gaps and employment. And we're just engaging with so many different businesses and people. It's a great experience for us.
Maybe.
I think what excites us the most is introducing companies that we already know to innovators at the event, to kind of share their experiences, also to investors at the event.
I think for us this is the go-to event in the region that we have to be present at. At the Science Park we are a home to over 100 tech and science businesses. So for us, the people that are coming to this event, it's our whole network and more, so we definitely need to be here every year.
What I've enjoyed the most, I think, is seeing how far people have come. So going from that small seed of an idea right through to having a stand, a brand and a mission, and talking to prospective investors, that's been really exciting for me to see, because it shows that we're making a difference.
Thank you for being part of the Festival of Innovation.